Beefy's Slimming World Chicken Tikka Masala. Right, for this you're going to need the juice of 1 lime, 150 grams of fat-free natural yogurt, 5 tablespoons of Tikka curry powder, salt and pepper, 4 skinless and boneless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, some fry light, an onion, grated or finely chopped, 4 garlic cloves crushed, 2 centimetre piece of root ginger peeled and grated, 1 red chilli de-seeded and chopped, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground cumin, 6 tablespoons of tomato puree, 5 tablespoons of fat-free natural fromage frais, and a small handful of roughly chopped fresh coriander to garnish. Now this is what you're going to need to do. In a large dish you're going to mix together the lime juice, yogurt and 3 tablespoons of the curry powder, then season it and add your chicken pieces and toss. Marinate that if you can for 4 hours or overnight, but I didn't get a chance for that, so I've just cooked mine. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to medium. Next you're going to spray a large non-stick frying pan with low calories cooking spray and put that on a medium heat. Add your onion, your garlic, your ginger, your chilli, your cinnamon, cumin and the remaining Tikka curry powder. I also added courgettes. Fry that for 2 to 3 minutes and then stir in your tomato puree and 250 ml of water. Bring that to the boil, reduce it and simmer it for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring. Meanwhile, you're going to thread your chicken pieces onto metal skewers or wooden ones and spray with fry light. Then you're going to put that under your grill for about 15 minutes or till it's cooked through and the juices run clear. Keep turning it if you can, then take it out off the skewers, fork them off the skewers into your tikka sauce, stir that all together, add some fromage frais and put in your coriander, and there you go. Beautiful.